Question number 15. A wooden cylinder floats partially submerged in a bath of water. A force F is applied to a cylinder until it has been fully submerged. Okay, so you apply a force over here, so it gets submerged fully. Which statement is not correct? Okay, remember it's not correct over here. So some of the water gains gravitational potential energy. So what happens? When you push this one downwards, the water level here, which was initially up to this much, will now raise up till here, right? Which means what? It will gain some potential energy. This is correct. Let us look at the other options. The cylinder loses gravitational potential energy. Okay, so does it lose gravitational potential? Yes, of course. This is also correct. Then work is done by the force F on the cylinder. Work is done by the force F on cylinder. See, initially the cylinder was, center of mass of cylinder was here. Then when you moved it over here, it came to center here. So as a result of it, it had moved by a given distance over here. So F into distance, okay, is not 0. So definitely this is also correct. Work is done by the upthrust of the cylinder. Is this right? No, this is incorrect. Why? The reason is because upthrust is nothing but a force that you get because of the water molecules which are crowding on this one here. It applies. So therefore, as a result of this, definitely there is no work being done. Okay, there is no work being done. Okay, and hence D is the incorrect answer. What is being asked? Which is a D incorrect statement? So D is the incorrect statement. So thus you see D is the right option. Okay, remember we are asked about incorrect statement over here. This is the incorrect statement. Rest of them are all correct statements. Okay.